Well, hello everybody and welcome. And we're going shopping at the Dollar General with Jenny, the crazy country couponer, and we're gonna pick up some free candy, and you know you want to know. So come on in, like and share the video on your way. We've got a $3 coupon that is giving us some free candy and some overage. So come on and let's go get some. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, what is the best time for you to become one? Right now. And that way you can get some of this free stuff with us. Okay, hit that subscription button below and that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of these deals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information that we have here all the time. So everybody, we've got a $3 digital coupon, and it's supposed to be for some sort of coffee product and one of these Bueno bars. But it is working on 2 of these Bueno bars, which is $2.80. Alright, let's talk about this Edie's. The Edie's is on sale, $4 a piece. You've got to earn for $1, and you can use it up to 5 times, okay? So if you picked up 2 of these Edie products, then you could get $2 more off. So you're looking at 2 of these for $6, and that's a winner deal, guys. Now here is one of my favorite deals, and it is the Marie Calendar deal, where you get $2 when you spend $10 off a Marie Calendar Bird's Eye items and banquet items, okay? Now, because of the new remodels, most every store has the big freezers now, so we get a lot more variety. They have these Marie Callender's duos with 2 different entrees for $5.50. Okay, so it's a great way to try something different or 2 different things. Now, normally when I do this deal, I pick up the Marie Callender pot pies, because for one, they're bigger than regular pot pies. They're really good. They're quick and easy to fix, okay? But you can do banquet if you like the little banquet pot pies, or you got kids. Now if you got kids, the banquet pies is what you're going to look for, okay? You're going to pick up 7 of those pot pies, okay? And then you'll save an additional $2. So that is an awesome deal, because you're going to eat it. You're going to consume it. So it serves you better than anything else we have in the store. Now we also have the vegetables. You could use this on just vegetables. If you wanted to just get the bagged vegetables, spend $10 and you'll save $2 out of pocket. And the vegetables that used to be $1 are now $1.50, and the ones that used to be $2 are now $2.75. You gotta laugh at it, guys, really. If you don't laugh at it, you're gonna cry. So, we will have to change up our normal deal that I usually get. So they are at $2.75. We get 1 Marie Calendar and 2 different vegetables. You could get a $1.50 vegetable and a $2.50 vegetable, okay? Or you could do 2 of the Marie Calendar meals for $5.50, or a double meat bowl for $4.75. That's going to put you over that $10 mark. If you like the banquet mega bowls, they're $4 a piece. So 1 of those and maybe a banquet pot pie. That should, 1 of the mega bowls and a banquet pot pie and the duo will get you past that $10 mark and give you, well, some different foods to eat. Okay, we're going to end our store tour at the cereal aisle. We got the General Mills cereal 2 for $5. We've got $1 off of 2 coupon. We got a 75-cent off of 1. I believe it's a Lucky Charm, though. It's a Pacific one. And I think we have $1 off of 2. So there's 3 different coupons that you can choose from for the 2 for $5, okay? And, we have some new mini cereals. I had seen the Trix minis, but I hadn't seen the Captain Crunch minis. This might be good things for little toddlers to have in a snack. that would make a good snack thing. So there you go, guys. And we'll talk again real soon, because we're going to turn some of these deals into scenarios that we've seen. And of course, this was just to, show you around and let you know what we've got going on in the store that you might not know about. And there you can make some of your own scenarios. So blessings.